In this video, we'll see how to fix inlinks in the HTML source code of your pages. What are inlinks? They're those links that trigger 301 redirects and, as a result, waste your crawl budget. We'll look at an example on the Meniton website. Beforehand, I analyzed the site with Screaming Frog to get the list of links, and I've identified one. I click on the privacy button and, as you'll see on SEO Minion, there's a redirect loop that ultimately points to this one. Our goal will be to fix that. And for this link here, which I'm going to show you, the one you see on the screen, we want to make it point directly to the correct link. Now, head over to the homepage of the EdgeSEO solution, and today we're going to use the bulk URL rewriting application. The bulk URL rewriting application works from a Google Sheet file, which we'll look at now. It's a Google Sheet template that you'll then export as a CSV and re-upload into the application. There are several columns you'll need to fill in. The first column is source URL. In the source URL, you enter the URL that is currently present in the ref tag. And in the URL rewrite column, you'll enter the URL you want to change in the ref tag. So here, in this case, it's Privacy 2024. And then we're going to activate it. The feature replay option on it, which will be useful here to correct the links on the pages. And we'll set the other two columns to NN for us, so they don't perform the other actions. Next, I download it as CSV1. I go back into the ViewLentQN application, the ratings, I upload my file and I deploy. Once it's deployed, all that's left is to go and check that the change has indeed taken effect. I go back to privacy, I click, and you'll see that the redirect has disappeared. There's no more redirect, it's a direct code now. Now, I'll go back and check in the DOM, just to show you. And here, you can clearly see that the URL has been changed. If I change page, I can go to any page, and obviously it will apply to all the pages on your site. As soon as we come across that link, you can see again that it has indeed been changed. Really, with the bulk URL writing application, you have a very simple and very quick solution to fix on all your websites the links that cause redirects. 300.